Hey, this is Ida again, telling you something for the advanced ones who already have their Google account and hopefully already use it very regularly. So you sign into your Google account as usual. You have your first name, which would be here, of course, normal isabel.peach@isaac.net. And there it is important that you use .net as ending because this is your personal address. The DE addresses are the functional ones. So you go for signing in, and then you have your inbox. They're ready for you being read, of course. And something important for you now to see also, what is really good, is that Google Docs text on Tabellen, where you can create documents, share it with everybody, and it's a good data way, like to have all people working on a document, for example. So here, what's really important for here, there's collections shared with you, with me. So then you go into the LC Mannheim folder, and then you can see that you have your different teams there, where you can work away. For example, I show you the TM folder, where there's the two functional teams, pipeline management, for example, where we have had like the documentation of the PDTs now, for example. But something really cool for you, of course, is not only accessing and reading from your team, but also creating your own documents. So the way you do it is you go to click the button create, and then you can decide on whether you want to do a document, presentation, spreadsheet. I often use the spreadsheets, and now, for example, I'm showing you how to create a spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet. So I'm just gonna make a little list so everybody of you who saw this um, can sign in. Already checked this out and tell me when you did so. So this is me, Isa P. And the time, the date is the 9th of November. So this is my signing in. And so I already signed in, and now you can type in your names and the time when you access this sheet, so I can know that you know how to use this. Really, you can make fancy stuff actually, as well as doing time um, checking. Like, sorry, you can color fields, you can merge rows. Doesn't matter really now. And then when you did that, you share it with your LC, for example, and type in a name first. So check to Google Docs, and then you shared it. And you decide on whom you're going to share it with. So usually the access when you shared something is private because you only made it for yourself, but then you can change those settings to public on the web, or just for the ISA committee, for example. I'm going to make it available for everyone who has a link there, for example, and I'll allow you all to edit because I want you to sign up, okay? So I say save. And this is it basically. So now you have all access to this sheet as you have the link. And now something also important is that you have not only one sheet, but you also have the possibility to attach more sheets. So you can attach another sheet, for example, containing some other information. And you always should check when you use Google Docs whether there's more documents to it than just one, so you don't miss out on information. So this is sheet 1, this is sheet 2. Okay, cool. So now we created a document, and now we can search for this document, for example. So it's checked out Google Docs. There it pops up already. And so this is the sheet. Woohoo, we're happy. It is saved on Google Docs. So what you can do now as well is organize it, because we don't want stuff just floating around there randomly, but it has to be organized. So you could put it into a folder. Usually when you create something for your team, you put it into your team's folder. But now, for example, I created it for LC Mannheim, there. And then, really, we can leave it floating because it is really just for you all to sign in, so I know you used it. Maybe we can support it to the TM order, actually. So this is in the TM folder. You can all access the TM folder now and check out sign in if you checked out Google Docs, if you tried it out. So this is where you can find it. TM, collection share with me, Elsie Mannheim, TM, and there you have it. So please sign all in that I know you used it and not just Isa P is using it. And yeah, work away, enjoy your week, and regards from me. Bye!